That little deep pocket right there, we're coming back. There's gonna be some big ones in there.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ryan Burnwood Bushcraft out here with my buddy from work, Daniel. This is Danny Angler right here. Found a sweet spot. We're gonna set up camp right here.
I hope you're hungry because we're gonna have lunch here too.
Are you okay?
Some fish tacos.
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos. That's not my idea. That's totally Danny Angler right there.
Yeah, we're doing a catch and cook today. I want to show him a little bit about the ropes of fishing, and then we're gonna try to make some tacos when we get done.
So if you're familiar, if you know me and you know my channel, you probably know that I'm not a fisherman. It's been since I was a boy since I caught a fish, and I never had any instruction or anything like that. So I'm gonna take a lot of pointers from this guy today. Tell him what you fish for.
I've been fishing pretty much my entire life. I was raised near Santee Cooper in South Carolina, so I've been raised with a fishing rod in my hand. Bass, crappie, bluegill, primarily bass.
Artificial lures.
Artificial lures, yeah.
All that stuff.
Most of the time, yeah.
All right, cool.
Rarely ever use live bait. I went to Walmart last night and picked up a few sinkers, you know, weights and some extra hooks. But I got you your first artificial lure to start off with. It's a
sweet
inline spinner. It works on trout, panfish, and bass.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate that.
Now, Ryan uses a collapsible rod, which is excellent if you're doing minimal camping situations like what he does for his bushcraft videos. But since I'm a bass angler, I bought full-size rods with me today. But we're going to show you that you can catch. You don't have to have full-size equipment to catch fish to cook and eat. You can also bring minimal equipment and light tackle and still be able to eat. Hey Ryan, what's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast?
Oh yeah.
Cheers, buddy.
I already took a look at this water. Guys, take a look at this water. This is the coolest part about this, is that we found such a clean creek. And you can see the color transition from that water that's stained to this super clear water. You can see the bottom here. All those fish are going to be loaded up in this eddy on that line, the color line, waiting to ambush from deep to shallow. So this is an excellent spot. Dude, you cut that in like no time. I barely had time to turn the camera on. That's really nice. Good Lord, dude, that's cutting really quickly. I'm new to all this. I'm new to all this bushcraft stuff, guys. Ryan's pretty knowledgeable about it. We're going to go ahead and try to catch some fish. We've already established base camp. Set a fire up. Ryan got that started lickety-split faster than I was like ever seen before. We've had breakfast, which was just a tall beer for me, and Ryan had one of his IPAs. But now we're going to start trying to fish around. We've got plenty of river that we can walk down. Perfect. See it flash when it hits it real faster than that. You need the blade to spin on the end of it. Very good. Let that sink for a minute. So we're going to switch Ryan from the inline spinner because it didn't weigh enough and he wasn't getting enough distance over to a drop shot, which is what I'm throwing on my full-size rod.
What you doing up there, little guy? Well, so far no luck. We fished here at the mouth of the creek and we walked up the creek a little ways. And looked like some pretty deep holes, but nothing yet. I got snagged up and broke my lure off, so we're gonna load back up. And I think right now we haven't eaten at all today. It's 11:30, so we're gonna cook some spicy noodles or something on the fire real quick, and then get back to it. We're not giving up, are we, Daniel?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
I'm hungry. I want some fish tacos.
Fish tacos. Ah! Man, it's crazy what washes up on the when the river floods, huh? Look at all this trash out here.
For real.
We got plenty of driftwood right here to burn, that's for sure.
Yeah. Pay dirt. There's an, oh my God, that's a big one.
Big bat, Big Daddy.
The duff. The designated ugly fat friend. If you're good to the duff, you get into the muff.
All right, so we're gonna go back and hit these worms.
We got, yeah, dude, we have a whole 10 full.
And I might start hitting the whiskey here soon.
Yeah, I forgot you had that whiskey.
And it might be a wrap because
if we don't catch anything, we can't eat it.
Then I just ain't gonna give a shit.
Yeah. They're either, look, the sun's come up and the water's warmed up because we started fishing right at the crack of dawn when the water was still cold, like BF freaking cold.
Yeah.
And if they're not up now,
yes.
If they're not up now, if they're not up now at this time of day with the sun shining down and warming all the water up,
yeah,
they're not coming up to feed at all until like it's late evening and the sun's come up. You know, we're not going to be here in the evening. So, I mean, a handful of bluegill and some, you know, authentic, like, you know, real worms, we'd be able to make a taco a piece. Ryan, you got your pliers?
So do.
Cool. It's a nice set of pliers. So when we do get bit on a circle hook, I absolutely love circle hooks, especially owner circle hooks. If you guys buy hooks, buy owner. Owner. Japan. Sharp. Razor sharp. Bobbing, haven't you? What is this? Soda pop?
Whiskey and Dr. Pepper, a little pre-mix action.
That's the good stuff. Fuck that slug. You're ours now, bitch. Let's see. Throw that big ass bitch on there. Here we go. That's a good one.
Well, we had no luck. It's a new day, and we are right smack dab in the middle of downtown trying to catch something. So this video is taking a turn, a 180-degree turn in the opposite direction of a bushcraft catch and cook.
Tied on this little Rapala.
Fish on, baby.
Are you recording?
Yes.
No shit. What did you say?
Woohoo! Look at that.
Bass, man.
Burnwood is on the fucking board, bro.
Dude, you caught a bass. That's a spotted bass. I can't believe you caught that. I didn't think it was gonna eat anything today. You freaking did, didn't you?
Here, hold this sucker. Let me get this. Oh, yeah. Burnwood on the board. Burnwood on the board. Here, hold this shit.
Dude, I can't believe that.
Got it.
Got him on the drop shot.
Going back there, little dude.
Holy crap. Good for you, Ryan.
We were starting to think that we wasn't going to catch anything. Sun's warm. I had to come out of some layers. I still have my bottom layer on, but finally caught a fish, bro. Temperature's dropping. It's getting cold. Maybe I just had a little stroke of luck.
We just had a cold front last night and it dropped into the 20s. And the trip before we went then, there was a severe cold snap. It just shuts fish off. It makes it difficult this time of year. How long has it been since you caught a fish?
Since I was a young boy, probably 11, 12 years old.
Wow, that's good though.
This guy right here, he showed me a lot. And you can't just throw something out there and expect to catch something. You gotta make the fish want to eat it. And that's something, you know, that I never really thought about. So thank you, man, for showing me stuff like that.
You're welcome. There's just two types of bites. You can trick the fish into eating something, making it think it's real, or you can get it on a reaction bite. And the water's way too cold this time of year for a lot of reaction type fishing, so we tried to finesse presentations and drop shot pulled through.
Look for some catch and cook for real when the weather starts warming up.
Yeah, if you guys like that kind of content and you don't mind seeing my ugly mug on the screen, let us know in the comments and we'll try to put together some more videos like this. And we'll definitely, when it warms up close to springtime, have a good catch and cook video for you.
We're gonna slay them. All right, guys, till next time. All these damn vines, man, tripping me up. Dude, this is sketch city, bro. You can't even see where you're walking. Let's just go on down. Fuck that. I ain't trying to die today.
Yeah, that's really
Oh. Ah, yeah. You all right?
Yeah, this bird tripped me up.